Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. In the last video, I have discussed a few short answer type questions of the poem Wind. In this video, I am going to discuss few value based questions of the poem Wind. So here are the questions. The first question is, what moral lesson do you get from the poem Wind? The answer is, the poem Wind is full of moral lessons. The poet has poured out his heart in this poem. He says that people must be strong at heart because only the weak at heart are troubled by difficulties. Here, wind symbolizes difficulties, which has power to destruct life on the earth. But if the people are strong at heart, they face the challenges thrown out by difficulties. They struggle and at last come out with flying colors. Second question is, how can you say that friendship with the strong is good? When we have friendship with the strong, we learn several new things. We learn to fight against difficulties. The poet says that if we are strong, the wind may be our friend because it likes to be friend with the strong. So if we desire to have strong people to be our friend, we have to show courage ourselves. This is the main reason that the poet talks about the steadfast heart in the poem. Now girls, there are few long answer type questions which I am giving you. You prepare answer and you show me. Why does the poet suggest the people that they have to be strong? Write your answer in the context of the poem Wind. The second question is, how can you say that the poet of the poem Wind is a great lover of mankind? And the third question is, the wind is a symbol of power and strength. How can we befriend it and survive in our struggle for existence? So these are the three questions which are given here. You have to write down the answers in your fair copy or wherever and can show me on the WhatsApp. Okay? I am not giving you answers of these questions. If you will have any problem, you can discuss with me on phone. Okay? Thank you.